It's no secret that programmatic is the new buzzword in digital marketing. Programmatic technology has made it easy to buy and distribute ad space with a much higher return on investment than typical pay-per-click advertising. Today we at 7 Social want to answer some of the most common questions we receive about this fairly new and innovative technology.
Programmatic advertising is the act of using an automated internet system to buy and sell highly targeted ads. Using demand-side platforms, DSPs, publishers define their website's audience and establish price ceilings for their merchandise. Advertisers then identify their target audience, specify the creative parameters they desire, and submit their CPM bids. Once everyone has chosen their settings, the program technology automatically matches the appropriate supply with the appropriate demand.
Supply-side platforms are pieces of software that automate the selling of advertisement space. Rather than approving or rejecting advertisers on a case-by-case basis using human interactions, this software automates the process so that it can happen instantaneously. Unlike DMPs, which are used by those creating and selling ads, SSPs are used by publishers to connect with DSPs to ensure that the ad space on their website is being sold to the sellers of relevant products and services. SSPs often work hand in hand with DMPs as part of the programmatic marketing process. This cooperation ensures that a potential customer will not be overwhelmed by showing the same ad over and over again. As for Google Ads, the Google Ads service is technically speaking a programmatic platform, however it just provides access to Google's advertising inventory. White-label DSPs may link advertisers to any SSP of the user's choosing, allowing them to purchase traffic from anywhere. Google Ads uses programmatic advertising and real-time bidding and is similar in nature to a self-serve DSP. In a self-serve DSP, you can create and track your ads, but when it comes to in-depth statistics, you are left in the dark.
One of the best ways to programmatically target your customers is through geofencing. Geofencing employs GPS or RFID technology to create a fictitious geographic barrier when a mobile device enters or departs a defined area. If a geofence is set up correctly, it may trigger mobile push notifications, SMS messages, or send targeted social media advertising. Typically, geofencing is used in combination with proximity targeting, which allows you to advertise to certain locations before and after a visitor arrives. Another geofencing method is conquesting, which entails displaying advertisements to consumers who enter your competitor's parking lot.
Prior to programmatic advertising, marketers had difficulty gaining access to ad inventory, resulting in approximately 60% of publisher ad space going unsold. Now, automated tools have made the process of purchasing ad inventory simpler, and marketers may improve the effectiveness of their campaigns to boost their return on investment, leaving less publisher inventory unsold and making it easier and cheaper for advertisers to launch efficient cross-media campaigns. With programmatic advertising, you can concentrate on audience planning and optimization. Using programmatic advertising, you may access inventory on millions of high-quality sites with millions of high-impact users. In short, programmatic advertising is smart advertising because it is inexpensive, highly customizable, and gives you access to high-quality ad space.
The number one way to get started with programmatic advertising is by teaming up with an experienced partner. 7 Social can assist you in a variety of ways to find and connect with your targeted audience. With our team of experts at the helm, you can make selections based on over 500 different categories of data, and the great news is the more impressions you purchase, the cheaper they become.